Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another beautiful 8.5 by 20 we just got in stock. It's a 2018 Cargocraft 8.5 by 20 dragster spread axle. This one comes with some great features. You guys can see it does have the nice big huge polished aluminum corners, which is great for rock protection. Upgraded rounded front cap, diamond plate rock art along the bottom, and a huge extended triple tube tongue. This is going to be an awesome unit to tow behind Class A motorhomes or anything like that, or if you just need a unit with a great turning radius. By extending this tongue out and pushing the trailer back, it allows you guys to turn much tighter without the trailer coming into your vehicle. So awesome feature there. We love that about our Cargocrafts. You also have a nice big gutter over your side doors, which is a great feature when it's raining. RV lock and cam bar on this side door as well, so you've got double lock protection. This is a 6-inch side door as well, so you've got a nice big opening here. Two 5,200-pound torsion spread axles with aluminum wheels, brakes on all fours, and in the trailer world, this is an optimal setup for towing. So this torsion package gives you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer, and then by taking these axles and spreading them out, it can also cut down on any wagging and swaying that can occur when you guys are towing. So again, optimal setup. You do have the beautiful aluminum wheels there, as you guys can see as well. It is again a dragster, so it's set up for cars if needed. You do have stabilizer jacks underneath the rear of the trailer as well. Cargocraft does an awesome job with their lighting. You've got great running lights on the top of this trailer and down here at the back and the front. So great setup for exterior lighting at night. Rear ramp door does come with a spring assist close. You also have this beautiful diamond plate transition flap, which is going to help you guys with the brake and the angle coming in and out of this unit. This is a very, very nice angle if you guys have cars or you want to use this for UTVs or whatever you're going to haul with. Also, total bonus, you have two of these LED rear spotlights. These are load lights. You guys can adjust them, point them down, angle them down more, however you want. And the light switch for those is right there, right inside. So when you need to load and unload at night, you're gonna have plenty of exterior lighting here. These are really bright lights. We love these spots. Now you also have the nudo floor with dry maxx underneath with this unit. So this is a heavy performance floor. We love our nudo floor. Again, it's one of the best performing floors we can stick in a trailer, and then again this has dry maxx underneath it. So that dry maxx is an engineered product. It does not absorb the water and moisture like your standard plywood floor does. So much better product to have underneath your trailer for longevity purposes. 7-foot interior height. Now I believe this unit is insulated as well. I have not looked at the build sheet. I just got it off the ground, but by feeling it and being familiar with trailers, I believe this unit is insulated as well. You guys can call the store to verify that. You do have some great lighting options. We've got 4 of these LED pucks. I love these lights. They're very small. They're super efficient and bright because they are LED. They've got toggle switches on them, so you guys can turn on one or all 4 or however you want to work that. And they're just a great use of light. You also have aluminum wall and ceiling liner, as well as 4 D-rings. So we've got 2 here at the back. And again, I'm sorry the trailer's dirty. We just got it in, but I wanted to get it out there to you guys. 2 more up front, 3-inch dovetail here at the rear. So we have about a 6'8", 6'9" rear door opening, which is plenty big if you guys have razors and side-by-sides and UTVs. And then 2 roof vents. These are both maxx roof vents, so they have that bubble cover over it like what you have in your campers. So if you guys have these open and it starts to rain, you don't have to worry about it getting your gear wet or your car wet or whatever, because they do both have those bubble covers over them. And then we're gonna come in a little bit farther. Nice interior step coming in. It makes it very easy to get in and out with this interior step. Cargocraft does a great job with that. Backside of your RV lock does have a lock-a-latch and a set of keys. You guys can see that. This is your light switch. This is gonna work your interior puck lights on and off. These are gonna work when you're plugged into your vehicle. And again, it's nice that there's 2 on each side. It evenly distributes that light. So it'll be a great trailer at night as well when you guys need to see and get your gear. And then there's your 2 more additional D-rings. So here it is, gorgeous trailer. I'm excited to have it. You guys can reach us at 303-688-8485 as always, or you can check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We do have a buy it now button on the website, and if you don't live near us, that is okay. I've got an awesome transporter that runs for great rates all over the country for us. So you guys can call and inquire about a shipping quote as well. And again, 303-688-8485, and be sure to like and subscribe.